عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته أبنائي وبناتي طلاب برايمري 5 in أمجاد language schools. النهاردة معاكم مستر علي. Today we will study lesson 6 from unit 2 sets with a title union of two sets. We will go to the definition of the union of two sets. The union of two sets x and y means that set which contains all the elements belonging to x or y. X or y. The shaded part in the opposite figure represent x union y. Look at the shaded part. Set x, set y, and we shaded all the two circles. All the figure we shaded it. There are four cases for the union of two sets, which are: number one, first case, the two sets have some common elements, such that x 3 2 3 5, y 3 4 5. 3 is a common element, 5 is a common element. The different element 2 and 4. Then if we want to find x union y, we write all elements of x and y without repetition. We write 2, 3, 5, and then 4, and it doesn't repeating 3 and 5. In the figure, set x, set y, and write the different elements and the common element in the common part. The second case, the two sets have no common elements. The two sets have no common elements. Disjoint sets, as set x to 4, set y 1 and 5, has no common elements. Then the union, the all elements of two sets 2, 4 and 1, 5, we notice that the two sets haven't common elements. Therefore, the diagram figures equal x, y, and the two sets disjoint sets. The third case, one set of a subset. One set is a subset of the other set, as x 5 7 and y equal 5 7 and 6 8. We notice that the element 5 belong to y, the element 7 belong to y, then x subset of y. Then the union x union y, is the all elements in two sets without repetition. 5 7 6 8. But we write 5? No. We write it before. We repeat 7? No. We write it before. 5 7, write only one time, and 6 8. The figure, bigger circle, smaller circle inside it, x subset from y, 6 and y have 6 and 8, and 5 و7 two common elements between the two sets. That is to say, if X is subset of Y, X is a small set, Y is a bigger set, then X union Y, we take the bigger set. In the intersection, if X is subset in Y, X intersect Y, we take the small set. But here, X union Y, we take the big set. After that, last one, the two sets are equal, have the same element exactly. If X, A and B and C, Y, C and A and B, then the union, X union Y, equal A, B, C without repetition. A, B, C is equal the set X and equal the set Y. Then we represent that one circle have two names, X or Y. A or B or C. This element B, X union Y, then X union Y equal X equal Y. Let X the set 2, 3, or 5, or 8, Y 0, 3, or 4, or 5, and Z 1, or 2, or 3, or 7. Then find number 1, X union Y. X union Y, all element between X and Y. Then we write 2, 3, 5, 8. Y has a new element 0, added it. 3, found in X, don't repetition. L4, a new element, write it. L5, we find it in X, don't repetition, because that's the union 2, 3, or 5, or 8, and add 0 or 4. The element 3 cancel مع element 3. The element 5 cancel مع element 5. These elements write it one time and doesn't repeat it. Number 2, X union Z. X union Z. X and Z, they have a element 2 and 2, common element 3, 5, 8. يبقى هنا 2 3. يبقى we write 2, 3, 5, 8 and 1, 7. 2, 3, 5, 8 and 1, 7. Last one, Y union Z. Y union Z. Y U Z. We have common element 3. Then the union 0, 3, or 4, or 5, and 1, or 2, 7. Remarks: if A and B are two non-empty sets, non-empty sets, that means A or B sets have elements, then phi union A. If phi has no element and A, this equal A. If A equal B, therefore A union B, two equal sets. A union equal the first set or second set, the same. Number 3, if A subset mean B, A small set, subset mean B, big set, therefore for union we take the big set. Thank you for listening. and goodbye.